Your last mortgage payment cleared this morning, 30 years. The house is finally fully yours. Now stop paying the property tax, and in a few years, the county sells it on the courthouse steps. Here's the thing nobody tells you. Your deed was never the whole story. A house has a stack of owners, and your name sits at the bottom of the stack. By the end of this, you will see every claim above yours and meet the one owner you never escape. Start on day one, back when you owed the bank. People say the bank owns your house until the loan is paid. Wrong. You owned it the whole time. What the bank owned was a claim, called a lien, a place in line if things go wrong. Your ownership came with an asterisk, and the asterisk stood ahead of you. Now the loan is gone, and the bank's claim died with it. The county's claim never dies. Property tax is a lien with no expiration date, senior to you, senior to the bank, senior to everyone. Run the math on how senior. In 2023, the Supreme Court heard the case of Geraldine Tyler, 94 years old. She owed $15,000 in back taxes and penalties on her condo. The county seized it, sold it for $40,000, and kept every dollar. The court ruled the county had no right to keep the difference. The condo stayed gone. 9 justices, 1 voice. Even the county's claim has a limit, but the claim itself is forever. There is a third layer made of paper. Your ownership is a story, every sale, every signature, stretching back a century. One broken link, a forged name in 1950, a missing heir, and your claim gets cloudy. This is why the bank made you buy title insurance at closing. Read the policy. It protects the lender. You paid to ensure their place in line. Sound familiar? You paid the appraiser too, and they work for the bank as well. You think the stack is tidy paperwork? In 2010, the biggest bank in America froze foreclosures in all 50 states, and 2 more froze them across 23. Their employees had been signing court documents by the thousand without reading them, because the banks lost track of who owned which loan. Families lost homes to lenders who never produced the note. If ownership were one clean piece of paper, the largest banks on earth would not have needed to guess. So what do you own? A bundle of rights. The right to live there, to rent it out, to sell it, to keep whatever is left after every senior claim gets paid. Ownership is not a crown. It is a place in line. In the deed names who stands last. The wealthy learned this long ago. They never ask who owns a building. They ask who holds the claims on it, and then they buy the claim instead of the crown. So burn the mortgage papers tonight. You earn the fire, but notice what survives the flame. The tax bill still arrives in January. The power company still crosses the yard on its old easement. The county still stands first in line, forever. You do own your house, more of it than anyone else on earth. The deed never made you a king. It made you the last one paid, and the first one who cares.